Hello YouTube and welcome to a really short Techsloth video. I just unboxed the Amazon Echo Spots. Yes, your new, I don't know, alarm clocks, bedrooms, security devices with a webcam, your normal Amazon Assistant device. And in the boxes, there were nothing really fancy or special. Two things. Number one, I want to show you the difference between the black version.
Your Echo Spot is ready for setup.
And the white version. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are now questioning, hey, which device should I buy for my bedroom? First of all, the pictures can be confusing. The black device is way more blacker than on the color, or than the color on the picture. You see, seems more like a grayish. No. This is definitely more blackish than grayish. And the other thing is, if you look at the picture of the white version, there's again this grayish border surrounding the screen and the white case or the white housing. In reality, this is definitely black. This is black. Don't get confused by the pictures or the colors on the pictures Amazon is showing you. When you see this with your real own eyes, the frame is definitely black and not gray. So this is this question. On the other side, of course, you can see black Amazon Echo Spot, white Amazon Echo Spot, no questions asked. The left one is for power, the right one is for your audio. You get your 3.5mm headphone jack. And you see these cables ain't USB Type-C, not even micro USB. It's again Amazon's own plug. And as you can see, we got with the black version, we get a black cable, and with the white version, we get a white cable. This is definitely thumbs up, and even the chargers are also in black and white. On the top, you see the buttons to operate the devices, volume down, volume up, and in the middle you get the mute button or the Alexa activate if you don't want to say it, if you rather press a button. On top, you see 4 microphones. And the speakers are not on top, not on the back side, but on the downside. This is one thing I'm a little bit, I've got some problems with that, because now all the sound is coming down out of the boxes, out of the spots, and hitting the floor. And it depends a lot on where do you place those devices. And this is one, or maybe, yes, of course, a lot of people are buying this because of the screens, because they can see something. They see the time, they see maybe news. And yes, those screens are touch screens, yes, which is really, really nice. And of course, you need the screens for the communication if you want to use this for calls, for video calls. You don't have to bother about the frame, just choose the color you want. The Panda edition of the Echo Spots looks great too. And the sounds, I mean, this is a thing that will depend on where do you place it. What is your surface made of? Where do you position it? Where do you position the Echo Spots? This is the main question. And you get some rubber feet here. And no, you can't change the viewing angle of those devices. There's just one angle. But Amazon is, of course, selling you some additional thingy where you can put the Echo Spot on it and then just turn it, move it, change the viewing angle. But I think you can only just take a book or some papers and just positioning it more up if you want to get a different angle for operating this device or for the webcam on the other side. And still it's wobbling a little bit, but still okay. So don't bother about this additional thingy from Amazon where they are charging you, I guess, 30 bucks for. So this is it. Oh, and if you want to see what's in the box, nothing fancy. You can just get your normal Amazon Echo box. You get your fine print warranty guide. You get this Echo Spot information on how to set the device up. And of course, you need the Amazon Echo app to do this. And you get one last piece of paper, no stickers. Ask Alexa, and you get just some ideas you can do with your new best voice assistant friend in your bedroom. So this is it. I'm now looking forward, playing around, checking out the voice or the sound quality of this device, webcam quality, picture quality of the displays. And then I will place one in my bedroom, maybe the other one in my bathroom, so that the webcam can see something. No, just kidding. But I got some problems about the price. Yes, those are around $90 cheaper than the big Echo Show. I'm totally fine with that, but they are also around 30 to 40 bucks more expensive than the normal Echoes and close to 100 bucks to the normal Echo Dots. And I don't know. Yes, of course, you need the webcam, you need the touchscreen, which is more expensive than just building a big speaker. But for me, everything will depend on the sound quality of those speakers. If they are closer to the Amazon Echoes, then I'm fine. If they're closer to the Amazon Echo Dots, no. But in any case, I would recommend you to wait a couple of weeks. I'm pretty sure Amazon will drop the price or at least bring out some offers while making it maybe 30 bucks cheaper or so. But this is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.